So we're going to learn about something called scientific notation.
Yeah, we've heard about that.
You've heard about it?
Yep.
Scientific notification.
Oh, I've heard about
Did you
that.
learn it in math or science?
Science.
I think science.
Okay, cool.
Science.
All right, so I'm going to tell you kind of what it looks like what scientific notation looks like, and then I'm going to just do a few problems, and then we'll get to what I'd like you to do for the day. First off, now just hear me out. This is kind of a big deal here. Scientific notation is represented by a number, and I'm just going to call the number m, because that's what a lot of the pictures use for teaching this. And then there's a times 10. It's always times 10 to a number, and we'll call that n. Okay, so let me just kind of, that right there, you're probably like, okay, that doesn't help me any. All right, but I want to tell you this number that goes here is a number, any number, listen to this, has to be a number 1 or greater, and it can be -1, like you can put a negative sign in it too. 1 or greater, but less than 10. Okay, so any number can go there as long as it's a number 1 or greater, but less than 10. All right, so let me ask you. Let me see if you guys know what I mean.
I thought we did this.
I don't think we did. Did we do this?
I thought we did.
Yeah, we did scientific.
So we did scientific notation. Okay, well,
I got it in my notes.
Good, that's even better.
Oh yeah, did we do it over online?
Yeah, we did.
Okay, good. Then here's a review. So would 10.2 work?
No. It'd
No,
be like
that's-
5 or
Okay, hold on. Yep. So no. What about 6.4?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. What about 0.92?
No.
No. What about 9.99?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So these numbers, they can work for that m value because they are greater than 1, or 1 or greater, but less than 10. Okay. You will always have times 10 to something for these scientific notations, and this n value can be any number, actually it can be any whole number. This can't be a fraction or a decimal.
Yeah, the quizzes thing.
Yeah, so you guys are good so far. All right, so let's just do a quick example. And maybe today will be a lot easier than what, I can't remember. Let's say you have a number 21,000, and you got to convert that to scientific notation. Do you know how to do that?
Don't you like divide?
Nope. Okay. So you're going to turn this from a number like 21,000 to a number that's some number times 10 to a number. All right?
So
Let's
it
read.
would be 21.
You
21
got that?
times.
You got that? Math down. Well, first thing you got to do is know where the decimal is. Where's the decimal in that number? Even though you can't see it. Where's it?
At the very end.
Yeah, that's right. It's going to be at the very end. Good. Okay, so it's at the very end. Now, check it out. You have to move that decimal to a number that is 1 or greater but less than 10. Okay, so you have to move it. So you take it, and you can kind of visualize it. I always do this. I just draw like this. 1, 2,
3,
4. What number is that?
2.1.
2.1. That number is between 1 and less than 10, so you write 2.1. Okay? And then it's times 10 because that's what scientific notation is. And now you have to put a number here. Well, the number is how many times did you move it?
4.
4 times. That's how it's done. Yes?
Why couldn't you stop behind the 1?
Good question.
Because it's 21, so it's over 10.
Yeah. If I would have stopped, here it would have been 21, and that would be greater than 10.
Oh, yeah, I never get that.
See what I mean?
I do.
Oh.
This
There we
one?
go. Fix that. Fix that over there.
Oh.
Who's like all hanging over?
That's scientific.
Notation.
Yeah, because on the back it says.
That's not notation, that's standard.
I don't know, standard scientific.
Yeah, this
Yeah, so 21,000 would be your standard notation. 2.1 times 10 to the fourth is the scientific notation. They're the exact same number, just written differently.
Yeah.
Okay? Alright, let's do another one.
I haven't in my.
It's easier to go on scientific notation. What are you doing?
Yeah, what are you doing?
You're trying to erase it, but it didn't let me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Did you not know we did that? No?
I did it in Murphy's class.
Let's try 8,420.
Yeah, Jack's the one who discovered that.
Let's try that.
No.
Okay? The first thing you gotta do in all these problems is find the decimal. It's not showing, it's not showing it. Where's
It's at the
it?
end.
It'll always be at the end.
Then
Okay, and now you have to write it.
it's over the 4.
Stop there.
No.
Nope. Because that'd be 842, that's bigger than 10, what about
Keep
here?
going.
Nope.
Nope, that's 84.2, that's bigger than 10.
Yeah,
yes.
right there.
I mean, I've seen some kids go one more for some reason, it becomes 0.8. Why can't it be 0.84?
Because that's lower than 1.
Good job. Alright, so we have 8.4, 2, you don't have to put the 0 on. Alright, 8.42 times 10, and then how many times would we move that decimal?
4.
Okay, let's see, 1, 2,
3.
3. So that's right, that's the number you put there. Alright, now all of the numbers that you have on your page are going to be they're all going to be positive. Like, you're not going to have a number on your work where it's like convert this. But let's do it though. This one's a little different. Find your decimal, right, Drake? Yep. Now, Drake, here's your decimal. What do I do with it? Which way do I move it?
This way.
Okay, good.
Hey, wasn't that easy?
Do I stop?
No. No. There.
Yes. What number is that?
3.
Wouldn't it be
Good.
negative?
3.4 times 10 to the what? 1, 2.
Three.
Now, what's different about this one is the difference between this one up here and this one here is that you move the decimal from left to right, and so that becomes a negative.
Yeah, I knew it.
All right. You don't have any of those on your work today. By the way, for the video's purposes, we are doing the astronomical distance worksheet. Astronomical distances worksheet. All right. So that's what we're going to work on next is the scientific notation part.